Hi guys, I have got this amazing climbing wall with these pegs here. Now this, so you can be a ninja warrior at your own house. So you guys have all seen it where they do the little peg things and lift themselves up. We are gonna get fit, we're gonna get into shape, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun. Now these boards there's 3 different boards like this. It's completely modular design. You can arrange it anyhow that you would like. Now it comes with this mounting hardware, and these are split end sleeves here. So this is actually going to spread out, and you'll be able to anchor it into a wall or something like that. Very, very good. You can use it indoors, you can use it outdoors. It's a really clever thing here.